Exeloo back again. We're just putting in the last of the 4 locating brackets on the screen. We then can go around and start plugging all our power. So this is your 24 volt, and then we plug in all our communication leads. Cool, with everything plugged back in, before we power it back up, we will put the screen back in the box. So your old screen, they need to come back, needs to go back in this bag, back in this box to come back for shipping. It's quite important. Now with it all plugged back in, we can switch the power back onto the unit and just wait for the startup phase. Just press the button underneath the box that will silence that alarm, and we just wait to get a confirmation. So now the unit is back operational. Awesome. Cheers guys.